People will hear your voice on the internet, and if you embarrass me, I will not be very happy with you. Or Jessica, since you are laughing, where do I go from here? I want to retrieve this data online using Power Query.
Yeah, I'm trying to remember the name of the this thing to go to, but the place that you get. I don't see the screen very well, so that's why I'm coming. Sorry, the place you go and that you see the web and everything.
Where is that? Which of the ribbon? We've done this like 3 times now.
Data, I guess.
Data, you guess. Okay, let's go to data, you guess.
And then oh my god,
Oh your God, what?
I'm trying to see the front.
You can see the screen now. This is like a 2K display, so you can see the screen. Or,
That's the time.
or suddenly your eye is paining you. Where's
No,
that?
not only me. I mean, yeah, I think from web.
From web. Okay, that's interesting. So I'm just going to right click on the data, go to share and copy link, right?
Yeah.
Then I'll go back to from web. Okay, the prompt is up. I'll paste my URL, right? How do I go from here?
You write export and then
Where will I
write
write
the
export?
was it export?
Where will I write it now?
At the ending.
Ending of what? After the
Yeah,
forward
there.
slash.
Yeah.
Ah,
Then you write format then XSSL SLSS something like that. Yeah.
you will not be a very good supporting lecturer, seriously. This is supposed to be part your second nature, mind you, but we'll get there soon. So you can see I have a lot of data set here. So these are tables, it has recognized table, and these are sheets, right? Now we are looking for the data set that has today's date. Oh, I don't have that. That's interesting. Sorry, hold on. Let me re-upload this data. I think I changed it. File upload. Before we continue, any questions? Khadija, do you have any questions? Jessica, do you have any questions?
No.
You don't have any questions? Okay, no problem. Don't worry, I'll be asking you questions today. I've thought about the people's issue. That 2 weeks that people rest, I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. Hey, Khadija is laughing. I'm sure Jessica is even biting her finger. Okay, so we are looking for this particular data set. So you can see we have a lot of data sets here, and you'll be wondering, okay, let's say if I want to import multiple tables or multiple sheets, what do I do? You just go to this select multiple items, you click on it, then you can select multiple items. But in this case, we just want to select just one, which is a 2024 11 10. So 2024 November 10. I'll click on it and see the preview here and transform when I'm done. And this is a real life data. This is a company based data. So there are some data set I'm going to actually remove from there. And so this is the Power Query editor. So can you guys notice up here? You can see in order for you to I think I taught you guys this in the beginning. If you want to see like the status of each of the column. You can see 100% valid, 0 error, 0 empty. But these have 94% and 6 empty, right? So if you want to activate this particular view, you go to view and column quality. Can you see this? Let's see column distribution. I'm going to give you a bar chart. You understand? So you can do column profile. Let's click on this. Let's see what it's going to give us. It's going to give us the column profile here, and if you click on each of the column, it will change. So it's just giving you like a profile. You can go to view and do that. So go to column quality. Now we actually don't need this because we already have the customer name. So I'm going to remove the customer name and account name. If I want to multiple select, I'll just click and click on the next data, which is customer name, using control, then select. Then I'll just, so you can do two things. You can either go to transform, home, and remove column, or you just click on delete. Remove column, or I'm just going to click on delete. I'll do click on the first column, control, click on the second column, and just press delete, and you are good. It will still record it as remove column because that's what I did. Now what else? Let's see. Okay, so this is the service activation date. So if you look at it now across all the columns, you can see 100%, 0, empty, like that for both region, state, the SAN ID, account ID, service activation date, the kind of service, account status, and the MRC. What MRC means is monthly recurrent cost, then payment status. Now I'm going to remove this, right? I'm going to remove these last two. I actually want to generate the monthly recurrent cost, as well as we also want to know, okay, if there's any comment. Let me delete this too as well. So we also want to know so this is the day the customer actually can I see my screen clearly?
Yes.
Oh god, I don't think I was, I was actually recording something else. Okay, thank god, now I'm recording this. Okay, so now we want to generate, so this is service activation date. That's the day the customer came started using this particular service, and what we want to do is to know how many days has, or we want to know the number of days the customer has actually used this service from today, right? Some couple of things we want to do. Maybe we want to separate, we want to get the day, the month, and the year for this service activation date. You can actually do that. All you just need to do is just to click on the service activation date or date, go to transform, I think, go to date, and you can click on year, right? So just click on year, and it's going to give you the year, but we don't want that. We want to create it on a separate column. So we'll go to, if we want to create column for year, we'll just go to add column, and we can then go to I think year, but yeah. So if you want to create a column for the year from the service activation day, you want to get just the year for the service activation day, you just go to add column, go to date, and go to year and you choose year. So this start year, end year, just choose year, and so we can see the year. And so we can do the same thing for the months, just for us to click on the date and go to month, and you just don't click start of the month, just month is fine. So to give us the month, right? What else? Let's say we want to get the month in no alphabet. So you click, go to date, go to month, and you say name of month. Click on name of month, and if you go towards your right, you guys will see you'll be able to extract the month name. That's one way to go about it. If you want to, you can actually add a custom formula, a custom column. I'm going to remove this. Hold on, please. Akweuta. Um, so based on this particular service plan, we can actually give an amount to this service, to these different service plans, right? So we can then add um, so literally you can either choose conditional column or you can still go to custom column just so you can write a formula. Now this is how conditional column works. You click on conditional column. So you click on conditional column and it will ask you the column name. So we'll just say recurrent cost, or we can just say monthly recurrent cost, which is MRC in short, and say if column name, which is what is service plan, is equal to unlimited 50, then 35,000. Then you can then add the same, you do the same thing. So this is more interactive compared to having to write formula. Then this is what 65,000 based on this current recurrent cost. Then we'll now say add service plan, add colors, and go to service plan equal to unlimited 150. Now you can put equal to, does not equal to, begins with, like that. It has some other options, and you see 92,000. Now, so you can change the output to, okay, enter a value. Good. Else if service plan equal to, again, I'll just copy because I'm too lazy, and paste because I don't want to type, and just say 300. Then how much? 145,000, right? Now, else if there's nothing, just leave it empty, or you can say if there's nothing, just put 0. If there's any of this is not on so if there's something that is there that we've not added, then it will just make it 0. So you can see it has given us a price, right? So we'll just put this as a number, or we can put currency if we want, and you can see it has given us in currency format. But the problem with this currency now, it's in dollar. So I think I can go to, where can I go to? No, I don't think I can change it, but currency, I will just leave it like that. Then what else? And so basically that is what this is. Now what can we do again? What crazy thing can we do? Oh, so let's say for instance we don't like the way it is in capital letter here. What you can do is just to select, right? Maybe you want to make the first letter of each word just capital alone. You will just come to add column, go to, no, I think you transform, yeah, transform. So if you say add column and click on the format, it's going to add a column for you. Watch what's gonna happen, and say just uppercasing. It will add me a column, and I don't want that. What I just want is to apply the format without having to change the column. Now to apply the format, let's say on state and region, for instance, I'll just go to transform, click on the first, and you can click shift or control on the second, then go to transform format, capitalize each word. So it's going to do both of them for me at the same time. That's if that's what you want to do. Or let's say you want to, on the account status, you want it to be all caps, so you can just go to format and click on upper. So it's going to convert it to all caps. And let's see the month name, we want to convert it to upper, and see. So this is also text-ish, and I think I can upper, yeah, so it's going to work too. Yeah, we can do the same thing. So pretty interesting stuff. So the M code itself, right? What is going to help you guys is the use of Google. I didn't memorize. I just have used it so much that even if they give me a solution, you understand, all I just need to do is to glance through quickly, and I will get the hang of it. I'm going to share with you a tutorials that will assist in helping you perfect Power Query. The reason is Power Query, you cannot actually avoid it, especially if you want to go, or especially if we'll be dealing with Power BI. You can't avoid Power Query at all, because you'll be doing a lot of automation there, and they call it for Power Query M code. For Power BI, there's a DAX, data analysis expression too as well. They are just different like that. You just have to know how to use some of it that you frequently work with. Any questions? So what we are going to be doing is I'm going to give you different um, assignments between now and next Saturday. We'll meet again. Um, Hopefully different level to test your usage of Power Query. If you do have any questions while you are trying to solve the problem, do reach out to me. I'll be happy to respond to you guys. Any questions before we leave?